Money has evolved over centuries, adapting to the needs and technologies of each era. From the earliest days of human civilization, we have always found ways to exchange value. We started with bartering goods, where people would trade items they had for items they needed. This system worked well in small communities but had its limitations. Then came coins and paper money, which provided a more standardized and convenient way to trade. These forms of money were backed by physical commodities like gold and silver. Now we use digital transactions, which have revolutionized the way we handle money. With just a few clicks, we can transfer funds, pay bills, and make purchases online. But traditional money has limitations. High transaction fees, long processing times, and the need for intermediaries like banks can make the system cumbersome and expensive. It relies heavily on banks and governments to function. These institutions have significant control over the money supply and can influence the economy in various ways. This reliance can make transactions slow and costly, especially for international transfers. Additionally, not everyone has equal access to banking services. Bitcoin offers a new approach. As a digital currency, it exists only online and operates independently of traditional financial systems. It is a digital currency. It exists only online. This means there are no physical coins or bills, and transactions can be made quickly and securely over the internet. This means there are no physical coins or bills. Instead, Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain. Transactions happen directly between users, without the need for a central authority. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning no single entity has control over the network. This is a key difference from traditional money. While banks and governments control traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network. No single institution controls Bitcoin. Instead, it is maintained by a network of computers around the world that validate and record transactions. This makes it resistant to censorship and manipulation. Bitcoin's decentralized nature ensures that no single entity can alter the transaction history or control the network. Bitcoin was created by an unknown person or group. This mysterious entity, shrouded in anonymity, sparked curiosity and intrigue across the globe. The identity of the creator remains one of the most fascinating mysteries in the world of digital currency. They used the name Satoshi Nakamoto. This pseudonym has become legendary, representing the birth of a new era in financial technology. Despite numerous attempts to uncover the true identity, Satoshi Nakamoto remains an enigma. The Bitcoin white paper was published in 2008. This groundbreaking document laid the foundation for a decentralized digital currency free from the control of any single entity or government. It proposed a peer-to-peer system for electronic transactions. It outlined a new vision for money, a vision where financial transactions could be conducted without intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. This revolutionary idea challenged the traditional banking system and opened up new possibilities for financial freedom. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger. This ledger is accessible to anyone, ensuring transparency and accountability. Every transaction is permanently recorded, creating an immutable history of all Bitcoin activity. This ledger is called the blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized network of computers, each maintaining a copy of the ledger. This decentralized nature makes it incredibly secure and resistant to tampering. The blockchain is like a digital record book. It is continuously updated and verified by a network of computers known as nodes. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, and once added, it cannot be altered. It keeps track of all Bitcoin transactions. This transparency ensures that every Bitcoin can be traced back to its origin, preventing fraud and double spending. The blockchain's integrity is maintained through complex cryptographic algorithms. Everyone on the network has a copy. This widespread distribution of the ledger ensures that no single point of failure exists. Even if some nodes go offline, the network remains operational, making it highly resilient. Bitcoin offers several potential advantages. Transactions are transparent. This transparency builds trust among users, as they can verify transactions independently. It also reduces the risk of corruption and manipulation. They are also secure due to cryptography. Advanced cryptographic techniques protect the integrity of the blockchain, ensuring that transactions cannot be altered or forged. This security is one of the key strengths of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This accessibility democratizes finance, allowing people from all walks of life to participate in the global economy. It empowers individuals by giving them control over their own money. This makes it a global currency. Bitcoin transcends borders, enabling seamless transactions across different countries. It has the potential to revolutionize international trade and remittances, making financial services more inclusive and efficient. The blockchain is the foundation of Bitcoin. It is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ledger is not controlled by any single entity, making it transparent and secure. It ensures trust and security. Each transaction is verified by network nodes through cryptography, ensuring that the data cannot be altered or tampered with. Imagine a chain of blocks. Each block is like a page in a ledger or a record book. These blocks are linked together using cryptographic hashes. Each block contains transaction information. This includes details like the sender, receiver, amount, and a timestamp. Once a block is added, it is nearly impossible to change the information within it. These blocks are linked together in chronological order. This sequence creates a timeline of transactions, making it easy to trace the history of any Bitcoin. When a transaction occurs, it is broadcast to the network. Every node in the network receives the transaction and verifies its validity. Miners verify and add these transactions to the blockchain. They use computational power to solve complex mathematical problems. This process is called mining. Mining is essential for maintaining the integrity of the blockchain and ensuring that all transactions are legitimate. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex problems. These problems require significant computational resources and energy. This helps secure the network. By solving these problems, miners help to validate and confirm transactions, making the blockchain robust and tamper-proof. The first miner to solve the problem adds the next block to the chain. This process is competitive, and only the fastest miner gets to add the block. They receive a reward in Bitcoin. This reward incentivizes miners to continue maintaining the network, ensuring its ongoing security and functionality. Section 4. The miners securing the network. Mining is crucial to Bitcoin's security. It ensures that transactions are valid. It also prevents double spending. Miners are incentivized to act honestly. They want to earn Bitcoin rewards. The mining process requires significant energy. This has raised concerns about Bitcoin's environmental impact. However, there are ongoing efforts to make mining more sustainable. Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it resilient. No single entity can control the network. This makes it difficult to censor or shut down. Section 5. The ups and downs of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has gained popularity as an investment. Its value has fluctuated significantly over time. This volatility can make it a risky investment. One advantage of Bitcoin is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity contributes to its value. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. This makes it important to double-check transactions before confirming them. Mistakes can be costly. Section 6. Diving into the world of Bitcoin. Acquiring Bitcoin is easier than ever. Several exchanges allow you to buy and sell Bitcoin. These platforms connect buyers and sellers. It's essential to choose a reputable exchange. Look for platforms with strong security measures. Once you have Bitcoin, you need to store it securely. Digital wallets are used for this purpose. There are different types of wallets with varying levels of security. Section 7. Bitcoin, the future of finance. Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize finance. Its decentralized nature offers advantages over traditional systems. However, there are also challenges to overcome. Scalability and regulation are ongoing concerns. The future of Bitcoin remains uncertain. It will depend on factors such as adoption, regulation, and technological advancements. It's an exciting space to watch.